Welcome back. If you saw my last video, you knew that I was expecting a certain item that did not come in the mail. Well, good news. I have a follow-up video. My package arrived. For whatever reason, this one book shipped separately from the others. Sometimes that happens. But I wanted to show you what I got in the mail. It was what I was expecting, which is the third book in the Cassan Astor series, which is the Immortal King. This one has a really expansive cover, and I like the sense of scope that's on this cover. You can see how far away that castle is and how long the land stretches behind it. It seems like a very bustling town right below. But obviously the main thing that stands out in this picture is the bat, the giant dire bat, and our main character riding on top of it. It's a little bit thicker than some of the others, but it keeps that same theme, and you can see the cover wraps around to the back. And I brought out the other ones here so we can see them all laid out together in the series. We have, oh, there's a little cat. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 all laid out. Most of them really do have that sense of move your tail. Somebody's in the foreground, and then you have a really cool view in the background. You know, you can see that in a lot of these. The fourth one does break that trend a little bit, but I think the fourth one still has a really cool cover as well with the ominous figure. They're all similar in size. I think the third one is the longest. You know, if we put them on their sides here, you can see how they would look on the shelf. Okay, let me see if I can do this and hold the camera at the same time. There we go. The third one is the longest, but they're really not too different from each other in length when we line them up. And it looks really neat and cohesive together when lined up.